Get started seasoning our steaks. We're going to start off with some soy sauce and some Worcestershire sauce. And then we're going to add in some olive oil. And after that, we're just going to zip up the bag and let it marinate for a moment. Alright, so now you just want to mince up some garlic, and then we're going to also cut up some of our thyme and rosemary, and we're just going to put it in that bag and mush it all around. Add some seasonings, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, pepper, and mix it up and let it marinate. And now we can start on our cheddar biscuit hoe cakes. We're just going to get some regular biscuit mix, and we're going to follow the ingredients, and then we're going to add some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, cheddar cheese, and we're going to just mix this up really well. And get a pan, spray it with nonstick spray, and just scoop about 4 onto the pan. And I made it a little bit thinner because I want them to be kind of like pancakey. When they come out the oven, they're going to be nice and crispy and golden, and we're just going to put some garlic butter on the top. What you're going to want to do now is get your cast iron pan out of the 400-degree oven, and you're just going to want to sear all sides of that tenderloin. Get them nice and brown, and then we're going to put it in the oven on 400 for about 20 to 30 minutes for a good medium to medium rare. Medium outside, good medium rare center. You can cook it longer if you need. Just remember, it's tenderloin. Don't mess up a great piece of meat.